Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? I hope everybody's fine. So today I'll be making peppered spicy liver. As you can see here, I have my liver. I am now trying to wash it. You wash with salt or lemon or lukewarm water, anyone is fine. So after I was done washing it, I had to transfer it into a clean plate, and so I now started adding things like salt. As you can see in this video, I did it in the night so that in the morning I can now fry it. So after I added my salt, I added red pepper flakes from Chef Bar's food, as you can see in this video. So after that, I added some seasoning cubes, as you can see, just a little. So after that, I now added my olive oil. You can use any other spice that you love, okay? So I just added my olive oil and I had to mix them together, then kept it in my fridge so that in the morning I will now fry it, okay? You can as well fry immediately. So in the morning I had to bring it out from my fridge, as you can see in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So in a clean frying pan on fire, I had to transfer it into it. Then I had to fry it so that it will be very tasty and yummy. So this is me frying my liver. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? And thanks for watching my videos. So I had to fry it till the water inside had to dry up, before I now transferred it into a clean plate and had to set it aside. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching my videos. So in another clean frying pan, I just added a little olive oil. I love using olive oil to cook because it's very healthy. Then followed by my onions, as you can see in this video. Then I had to stir fry for a few minutes, as you can see. So the next one, I added my pepper, as you can see in this video. Then I had to stir fry for a few minutes. So I just added salt, as you can see in this video, followed by curry. You can as well add any other spice you love. So after that, I added light soy sauce, as you can see in this video. Then I had to stir properly. Then here I have my bell peppers, red, yellow, green bell peppers. So I had to add it into my frying pan and had to stir, mix it very well. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? And thanks for watching my videos. So the next one, I just added oyster sauce, as you can see, oyster sauce. Then I had to turn it very well. So now I'm about to add my liver, as you can see, my fried liver. I now added it into the sauce. Then I had to turn it very well. As you can see in this video, it was so delicious, very spicy for this cold weather. So I had to turn it very well. If you want it creamy, you can as well add coconut milk, especially if you want to enjoy it with white rice, or maybe boiled yam or plantain and all that. But me, I wanted to eat it like this, so that is why I didn't add much. So the next one, I added my ginger and garlic paste, as you can see. I was supposed to add it in the beginning of the video, but it skipped my mind. But nevertheless, this time I added it. It's still not bad, okay? So I added my ginger and garlic paste and had to turn it very well. Trust me, if you prepare this meal, you're going to enjoy it. Everybody in the house loved it, even though it was too spicy, but that is how I wanted it. So I was peppered liver is almost ready, as you can see. Like I said, if you want to enjoy it with rice and you want it creamy, you can add coconut milk or water. Okay, so here I have my spicy peppered liver. Okay, thanks for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can enjoy it with boiled plantain, roasted plantain, white rice. Okay, whatever it is you like, you can enjoy it with it. It is very healthy, very delicious. Okay, healthy meal is the goal. So go to market, buy liver and prepare it. Bye.